Hello students, and welcome to Mr. Kitson's economics class, where we go over the economics personalized lessons for our curriculum. Today I will be going over the organization and structure of the 3 lessons that you will have to do, as well as giving you a few pointers for each of the different lessons. For lesson 1, we're going to talk about budgeting. This is a very important part of economics, especially personal finance, and it's what we're going to start with. First, you'll do a discussion when it comes to budgeting, and talk about how you would obtain the status of being rich and what you think it means to be rich. Then we'll do a short budgeting quiz based upon the readings for the lesson, and we'll have a budgeting project that you have to start. This is when it'll start, and then it'll be due at the end of the 3 lessons. For lesson 2, we're going to analyze post-secondary options, and this one will analyze college options. For this discussion board, you will discuss what you think the benefits and drawbacks to attending college are. You will also watch a video about how does college fit into the new economy, and you will submit a 1-paragraph response detailing how a student entering college can maximize his or her education. Finally, in lesson 3, you will analyze post-secondary options, and in this case it will be CTE, or career and technical education, and military. In this chat, you will discuss the perceived economic pros and cons of the CTE and military pathways, and what is the opportunity cost of choosing one of these careers compared with a college pathway. You will do a Padlet activity, and then again you will watch a video. Finally, in lesson 4, we're talking about from surviving to thriving, how to build wealth. That's the fun part, right? Lessons 1 through 3 check-in quiz. We'll do that first. You'll go to this website and type in the password that I'll give you. Then you'll watch a short video and discuss this question. What do you think is the base income a person needs to survive, and how much does the person need to thrive? You're going to defend your points with evidence. Finally, after this, there will be a summative quiz. I hope this gives you a good idea of what's expected of you. Good luck, and as always, I am here to help out.